All right, Tim, today we have Crystal Head Vodka. I know you know because you brought it out here, but Crystal Head regular vodka, Crystal Head Agave Vodka. Never heard of Agave Vodka.
Never mind.
But we're doing...
You ever kiss a monkey?
We're doing a head-to-head right now. See what agave tastes like. Agave vodka. This is not the agave. This is the regular first.
What? How much have you had?
A regular...
What the fuck?
All right.
Good
Head-to-head. Let's taste the regular vodka first.
Vodka. Man, that's as smooth as water.
That is...
It is smooth. Let's try the other one.
That is smooth. All right. Crystal Head Agave Vodka. Right here.
Smells like nothing.
It's dangerous.
Actually, I'm going to tell you what.
That's as smooth as water too, man. There's no bite. I can't wait for the martini.
I'll tell you what. I have wondered how people drink vodka straight. This is how right here. This is good.
Well, let's get to the martinis.
I could be a straight vodka drinker right now. So we've also made martinis.
So you're telling me
this
vodka gave you good head?
Well, I'm saying Crystal Head Vodka is pretty good. Ooh, that's a tasty martini right there.
Now, is that the white?
That is the Crystal Head regular.
Regular.
The Crystal Head Agave Vodka.
Is that good?
You had me at agave.
Ooh.
Put it down, bitch.
I like this one.
Sorry.
Backfired on you.
Deserve that.
That's delicious.
You deserve that.
You can't go wrong with either one.
Let me just say,
these are... I've never had it before.
These are both amazing. So, actually, it's rock, paper, scissors for this one.
I know that game.
Excuse me. Your producer's over here.
Well,
hoping.
she gets some. You get a taste of each. So, look, we're going rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's just
So,
wrong.
1, 2, 3, go. Rock.
I'm calling the
Ready?
union.
Fucking hurt.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Striking.
See, you shot too soon.
That's what she said.
You got me? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready? You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, I got you.
Bitch.
Rock beats scissors. Bam! And
Crystal.
we're going to do the rock, paper, scissors challenge. Check that out. All right. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And, well, we'll see you next time.
Delish.